Do you recognize these four patterns? Can you tell the differences? If your answer is yes and yes, then I can tell you writing and recognizing Chinese characters are no more difficult than that. Well, maybe just teeny bit more difficult?
9 3/4 more difficult to be exact.
Make sense of the Chinese language 10 times more effective. Learn Chinese through pictures and stories. Hi, if we haven't officially met, I'm Dr. Haiyan Fan at Chinestory.com. Just recently, I gave my first TEDx talk at downtown Dallas on my favorite topic, Grow Yourself a Chinese Language Tree. You can find the video down below. My work at Chinestory has taken me from museums to local libraries and schools in my home city, Dallas. I have helped so many people of different ages who are in the same position as you are now. You want to learn Chinese or you want to help your child to learn Chinese, but you don't know where to start. I love to see the spark in my audience face, the aha moments when they get it. Now I want you to have this wonderful learning experience at the comfort of your home. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell button to be notified each week when I post a new video.
In the last episode, we discussed about the importance of automating your Chinese character writing. The 6 rules of Chinese stroke order will help you, will greatly enhance your ability to do that. Let's do a quick rundown of the 6 rules. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Stroke order rule number 1.
From left to right. E, short E, long E.
Stroke order rule number 2.
From top to bottom. Left swing, short straight down, straight down.
Stroke order number 3.
Always E first, then straight down. E, straight down.
Stroke order number 4.
Outside first, then inside, last to close. Straight down. E one turn. Short E, E to close it up.
That's right. Because you move from left and to right, you also write the outside first, then inside, last to close. Stroke order number 5.
Center first, then sides. Straight down hook. E left swing, short left swing, right swing.
That's correct. Stroke order number 6. Inside first, then semi-enclose.
Straight down one turn, straight down.
That's correct.
Fantastic. Great job. Today, I'm going to give you another automating tool which will help you recognize the patterns with which the small Lego pieces are put together to form the Chinese characters. You know, although there are thousands and thousands of Chinese characters out there, the way they put it together or the underlying structure pattern all fall into 4 main categories. Are you ready for this? Let's dive in.
Pattern number 1. Top-bottom structure. The idea is, according to the stroke order rule, you always write from top to bottom. Think of it as a 2-storied house. You stack up 2 components together to form a top-bottom structure. So let's dissect some characters. Top component, bottom component. Top part, bottom part. Top, bottom, top, bottom. So you write the top first and then you move on to the bottom one. And there are some variations of the top-bottom structure. So either the bottom part or the top parts or both parts are further divided into 2 components. So let's dissect some more. Top parts, 2 bottom component. Top parts, 2 bottom components. So on this one, the top 2, bottom, top 2, bottom, top 2, bottom, and top 2, bottom. On this one, you write the top two first, you write middle, and then move on to finish the bottom two. Got the idea? Makes sense? Pattern number 2. Left to right structure. Think of it as a duplex house. You place two components together side by side to form a left and right structure. Left, right. Let's dissect some examples. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So according to the stroke order rule, you always write from left and then move on to the right component. So either the left part or the right part were further divided into two smaller components. Let's dissect some more example. Left, two components, and then right. And then on this case is left component and two smaller right component. Left, two smaller on the right. Got the idea? Pattern number 3. Triangle structure. Triangle shape can be found in ancient architecture such as the pyramid or hut, or modern ones like this one, a very modern concept house, or a church. At a quick glance, you will notice that the triangle structure are typically consist of identical components stacked up like in a pyramid form. So you write the top one first, and then the left bottom, and then the right bottom. The top one, left bottom, and then right bottom. Makes sense?
This is fascinating. It never occurred to me that Chinese characters can be compared to an architectural piece. I love architecture. As a matter of fact, I want to be an architect when I grow up.
Pattern number 4. Wraparound structure. Think of it as a courtyard or Zen garden. The outside fences and gate wraps around the inside yard or garden. You may not see this type of architecture in your daily life, but one of the UNESCO heritage site, Hakka Earth Building in Fujian Province, China, also features such a wraparound structure. So wraparound structure can be either fully enclosed with tiny opening or semi-enclosed with just one side open or half open. Let's dissect some examples. So according to stroke order rule number 4, you always write the outside first, then move inside and last to close. Write the outside first, then inside, last to close. Write the outside, inside, last to close. Write the outside, then inside, last to close. Write the outside first, then the inside. Write the outside, the inside. Write the outside, inside, last to close. Outside, inside, last to close. So the outside, then move inside. Outside, move inside. Outside, move inside. Outside, then move inside.
Wow, this is so eye-opening for me. I kind of understand what you mean by structural pattern now.
So, what's structural pattern in your understanding? Comment down below. Effective learning starts with the right question.
I don't have a cool definition for structural pattern yet, but I can tell you before this lesson, I read Chinese characters as they are a bunch of strokes hooked up together. But now I clearly see through them, as if I had been wearing a magic goggle. Top, bottom, left, right, triangle, wraparound. I guess it helps me to dissect the characters so that I can recognize them faster.
That's a great way to put it. Wyatt, I really like you use the word see through. See through the seemingly complex surface to know its simple underlying structure. That's exactly what the structural pattern will help you to achieve. Just like the famous Hungarian architect and furniture designer Marcel Breuer says.
Structure is not just a means to a solution. It is also a principle and a passion.
The ancient Chinese philosophy also echoed the same principle.
Great truths are always simple.
Donkey or horse, pull it out for a stroll.
May the force be with you.
Hi Wyatt, are you ready to test your new goggle to see if you can figure out the structural patterns of the Chinese characters? I'm going to show you the first 10 Chinese characters on the HSK Level 1 test.
What does HSK1 mean?
It's not that important for now. I'm going to tell you later. But keep in mind, it's not a rocket science, okay? Let's get started. The first character, I.
Means love. Let me put on my goggles. I see. It's a top to bottom structure.
So left swing, dot, dot, a short left swing, dot, E, one turn, E, left swing, E, left swing, left swing, right swing. Next one.
Ba, it means 8.
Put on the goggle.
It's the left to right structure. You write the left swing first and then the right swing.
Correct. Going on next one.
Ba means dad. It's top to bottom structure, but the bottom you have to it's a semi-enclosed. Do the outside first and then the short straight down and then close.
And then E and then close. That's correct. Good job. Next one.
杯子
It means
cup. Bei is a left to right structure.
you are right.
And zi is you have to write the middle first and then the sides.
That's correct. That's correct.
Beijing. It's a city in China.
It's the capital of China.
Bei is left to right structure.
Right and left and right structure.
Yeah, left and right structure. And Jing, you have to write top to bottom and the center first and then the outside.
And then at the bottom you write.
Yeah, the 2 dots after the E straight down.
Right. So at the bottom you write the center first and the 2 on the side. Going on next one.
Bun means root.
What structure is that?
You have to write the center first and then the outside left swing and right swing.
So E, straight down, left swing, right swing, and short E.
Yes. Bu, it means no.
What structure is that?
It is a top to bottom structure.
So how do you write it?
E, left swing, straight down dot.
Correct.
Bu keqi, it means you're welcome.
So how do you write ke? Let's put on the goggle. Do you see now?
Yes, it is a top to bottom structure.
So you write dot, dot, E, one turn, left swing, E, left swing, right swing. And then the bottom is?
Straight down E, one turn E.
That's correct. Qi, how do you write qi?
Qi is also a top to bottom structure. Left swing E, flying hook.
That's correct. It's a flying hook. Whoa, yay! That's the last one. Congratulations, Wyatt. Congratulations, master learners. You have made it to the end. If you enjoyed this video and have found it helpful, give us a like and it will definitely help our channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep learning. 再见.
Are you saying goodbye? What's next?
Upcoming next. In my next video, I'm going to do a Chinese character write-a-thon. That will complete our first module, which is about Chinese character strokes, stroke order, and structural patterns. Then we are going to move on to our second module, which is about pronunciation and tones. We're going to start with 5 tones. If you want to get notification about them and anything else I release, You can subscribe to this channel right there. You can also hit the bell button below if you want to get actual notifications. Click here to watch my recent TEDx talk. Click this link to get a free copy of a chapter of my book. As always, thanks for watching.